Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to cook Misir Wot, a delicious and hearty Ethiopian lentil stew. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need 1 cup of vibrant red lentils, 1 large onion, 3 cloves of garlic, and 1 inch of fresh ginger. Don't forget 3 tablespoons of authentic berbere spice and 1/4 cup of niter or oil. Finally, have 4 cups of vegetable broth or water on hand. These simple components will create an incredibly flavorful dish. Our journey begins with preparing the star of our dish, the red lentils. Rinse 1 cup of lentils thoroughly under cold running water until the water is completely clear. This step removes any impurities and ensures a clean flavor. Next, finely chop 1 large onion and mince 3 cloves of garlic along with 1 inch of fresh ginger. These aromatics are crucial for building the rich, complex base of our Misir Wot, setting the stage for its incredible depth. Now, let's build the heart of our Misir Wot, the flavor base. In a large pot, heat 1/4 cup of niter or vegetable oil over medium heat. Add the finely chopped onions and sauté them for about 8 to 10 minutes until they are beautifully softened and translucent. Next, stir in the minced garlic and ginger, cooking for just 1 minute until their aromas fill your kitchen. Finally, add 3 tablespoons of berbere spice, cooking for 2 to 3 minutes, stirring constantly to toast the spices. With our aromatic base ready, it's time to bring everything together. Add the thoroughly rinsed red lentils to the pot, followed by 4 cups of vegetable broth or water. Bring the mixture to a gentle boil, then reduce the heat to low, cover, and let it simmer for 20 to 30 minutes. Stir occasionally to prevent sticking and ensure the lentils cook evenly. Once the lentils are tender and the stew has thickened to your desired consistency, season with salt to taste. Serve your delicious Misir Wot warm.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.